Order up Squidward, 2 Krabby Patties.
What talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
If you've seen my quick pickups video, things I got from the grocery store, you already know a few of these items that I have. This ketchup right here, you know what I'm saying? I had this in the video. You already know about this Southwest burger, and you already know about these waffle fries. So first we're gonna start with the condiments. This is purely optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. We have some ketchup, spicy brown mustard. All right, now I'm not a big mustard fan, but with this ingredient, with this combination I'm gonna do, you'll love it, all right? And then I got some Sweet Baby Rays, regular barbecue sauce. Now, if you get the honey version of it, obviously it's not vegan, but I got the regular barbecue sauce. Stay to the end of the video. I'm gonna show you what to do with this. You already know, if you see my grocery shopping pickup video, you already know what this is, man. It's a Sunshine burger. Sunshine is the name of the brand, but it's a Southwest black bean burger, all right? Black beans, cilantro, and jalapeno. I've had this before. The other brand I normally get is Amy's, but honestly, I haven't even seen an Amy's black bean burger. I don't know if they took it off the shelves. I don't know if like it got recalled. I don't know what happened, but I can't find the black bean burgers of Amy's. Got some waffle fries by Alexia. Seasoned waffle fries, man. These waffle fries are amazing, man. Trust me. They're already seasoned. You put like a little bit of pepper on it, you won't be disappointed, man. If you've been keeping up with me a lot, you know this is my go-to bread. That Dave's Killer bread, 21 whole grains and seeds. You can use hamburger buns if you want. Excuse me, but I love Dave's Killer bread, man. Like it's just full of fiber, full of taste. It tastes real good. It's kind of like, it's almost kind of sweet. So I really love this bread. You need to get your greens, right? So I got some baby spinach right here. You already know, red onion. I don't need to say nothing. It's a red onion, full of flavor. You know what I'm saying? And then I got a tomato, and I got a fresh organic avocado. All right, so these are all the ingredients that you can use. And keep in mind, if you want to mix this up the way you want to, if you want to add some things, take away some things, do that. You know, comment below if you try something else out. And let's get into it. All right, so you're gonna need yourself a non-stick pan. We already preheated the oven to 350. On the back of the bag, it says preheat the oven to 425. I normally don't do 425. You can if you want, but it's just like a really high, you know, when I open the oven, I don't want to burn my face off, you feel me? So I just put it to 350. That's like a normal standard heating, I guess. Don't make sound for me and Roland, okay? So don't be judging me about how many fries I'm gonna put in here.
Why is he putting so much fries?
Only for who?
Me and Roland, all right? So just go ahead, just put some fries on there, man, you know? Spread it out there. They're already, oh my God, bro. Smell that, man. Like, it's already seasoned, trust me. Already seasoned, all right? Add a little bit of pepper if you want to. I like adding pepper, but you know, that's about good for me and him. So while the oven's preheating, we're gonna keep this to the side, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna work on now. So you wanna get yourself like a little skillet. I'm showing this Iron Man stove, man. So you can go ahead and just put it on like medium heat, all right? Look at that, man. Black Panther ain't got nothing on his stove, man. Just put it on medium heat. Take your patties. They're individually wrapped. Also, you can try Morningstar too. I heard Morningstar has some really good burgers, black bean burgers, quinoa burgers, chickpea burgers. So actually, I'm gonna try Morningstar out too. But for now, Sunshine Burgers, you know, if you want to sponsor your boy, go ahead, hit me up. You know what I'm saying? I love these. These are really good, man. Like full of flavor. So take my word for it. While this is heating up, go ahead, just spray it down. You know what I'm saying? Just get a nice little spray. Let that. You guys are wondering. You know what I'm saying? Got that cooking spray right there, just so it doesn't stick. And also, like I either use spray, or sometimes I use like oil, just to kind of give it that crispy taste. So I actually probably use a little bit of oil, just a little bit, just to give it that crispy taste, that like crispy texture, not taste, but crispy texture, you know what I'm saying? And so while that's heating up, we're gonna cut up the tomatoes and the onions. Y'all stay tuned. I don't like big tomato slices. I feel like tomatoes sometimes, if you got too much tomatoes, it take over the flavor of everything else. You know what I'm saying? But if you have enough, just like Baby Bear's ports, it's just right, just enough, man. You want to make like some nice onion slices. They're not gonna be perfect, man. You know, as long as you like it, it's all that matters. Anytime I cut onions, man, I think about Shrek. I don't know why, man. It's Shrek. The first Shrek, he always talks about how ogres are like, what did he say to Donkey?
Ogres are like onions.
They stink?
Yes. No.
Oh, they make you cry?
No.
Oh, you leave them out in the sun, they get all brown, start sprouting little white hairs.
No. Layers.
What he talking about?
So the skillet's nice and hot. You open up your first little black bean burger. Now keep in mind, man, these things are very, very fragile, all right? So when you're cooking these, don't get discouraged if it breaks, all right? You're not a bad cook. This is how they are. See, it like broke a little bit already, but you're gonna put that on there, cook it on both sides, and you're gonna add some seasoning if you like. I'm gonna show you guys the seasoning that I like to use. Onion powder, all right, garlic powder, and some black pepper. The way I like to season my food is I like to cook it, or I like to season it before it's finished cooking. So I'll take the onion powder and kind of just sprinkle it on the top. I haven't flipped it yet, all right? I just sprinkle a little bit on there, man. I like to season both sides. Just enough, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to overdo it, man. You don't want to coughing up onion powder, man. You know, you just want to, just enough. With the garlic powder, just enough, all right? You don't need to drown it, man. Just relax. Take the black pepper. Put a little bit on there, man. That's all you need. I'm gonna flip it, and I'm gonna do the same thing, and I'm also gonna do the same thing to this. So the oven is ready. It's on 340, but that's close enough. I'm hungry. I don't normally put a timer on there. I just kind of keep an eye on it, and once it gets nice and brown and crispy is when I take it out. You see, the burgers are done nice and crispy. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with some onions, okay? You don't have to do onions, optional, but if you're asking me, I definitely recommend it. Just gonna fry some onions up. This is done. Waiting on this to get finished up. And we're gonna cut up this avocado. You're gonna take the avocado, you kinda gonna just spread it on your bread. You're gonna take your spinach, rinse it off, all right? You can use lettuce if you want, man, but trust me, spinach is much better for you. All lettuce is pretty much water, like literally. It's just a crunchy water. You know what I'm saying? When you have spinach, it's like you actually get nutrients when you eat it. So just kind of just lay it on there however you want. You know, once again, you can make modifications however you like. This is just the way I like to do it. Grab a couple of those slices of tomatoes. Just kind of just lay it on the bed. Look at that, they're like a little bed right there, man, like a little hammock. You know what I'm saying? You're just gonna put it on there, however you like. Okay, that's how I like mine. Look, the 3 little bears. You got the daddy bear, papa bear, mama bear, baby bear, man. He's sitting there nice and comfortable. Show him these onions right here, man. Nice and crispy, all right? I don't judge. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. You know what I mean? So you're gonna take some of these onions, and you're just gonna, oh my God. Smell that, man. It smells. It smells fucking amazing. Can't wait to dive in. Let me save some onions for rolling. I'm getting carried away. I'm gonna put that patty on the top, just like that. On top of everything. And then, I'm gonna show you what to do with these sauces. So this is where it gets real, okay? Now, you can make this according to how much you like ketchup, how much you like barbecue sauce, or how much you love mustard, all right? Now, I did a little trial run for you guys, okay? I started with the base of barbecue sauce, and then I used the other two. I started with a base of mustard, then I used the other two. I started with a base of ketchup, then I used the other two. Me personally, I like the one with the barbecue base. All right, so that's the one we're gonna make. Get yourself like a little mixing bowl. Put a little bit of barbecue sauce in there, man. This can be for the fries, and it can be for your spread if you want to put it on your burger. All right, so do a nice little base of barbecue sauce and no sugar added ketchup. It tastes just like the regular ketchup, just no sugar added. Just go in there, excuse me, put a little bit of ketchup on there. Before I use this mustard, man, I like to squirt it in the trash can first, because for some reason, anytime I use mustard, it always come out watery first. We good, we good. So let's go ahead, just put enough of mustard in there, man, where it just boost it up, man. A lot can go a long way. Once that's all in there, man, oh man, it's like I'm in a painting class, man. I'm about to paint a portrait, man. Just mix it up. You taste it. And you know, if you want to add a little bit more mustard, if you want to add a little bit more ketchup, whatever, just go on how you feel, okay? Oh man, smell it, man, smell it. Oh my goodness. So you want to take this sauce, just dab it on there, man. Just dab, dab it in there, man. Just want to spread it on there, man. Oh my goodness. My mouth is watering right now, so I know y'all mouth watering. All right, I feel like a dog right now. You know, if any of you guys got dogs out there, you know, anytime you making food, or anytime you open a bag of chips or something, your dog is sitting there. You know what I'm saying? That's how I feel right now, and I'm making this. So I know y'all mouth has gotta be, man. You want some more of yours too?
Yeah, go ahead, though.
Yeah, man, I'll throw some on there for rolling too, man. Just put it on there and spread it, man. Oh my goodness. And like I said, you can use this for the fries and the burger. Nice and crispy like I like it, man. So, completely optional. I like to just add some pepper, man. Just go over the top with it, man. A little bit of pepper.
Order up, Squidward, 2 Krabby Patties.
Alright, here we go, man. You got your waffle fries and you got your black bean burgers with this delicious, scrumptious sauce right here, man. How many of you guys out there seen the movie Good Burger? Y'all know that sauce that they make in Good Burger? Ed, my man's Ed on Good Burger, make that special sauce and everybody go crazy.
What are you talking about?
Mom, I gotta call you back.
Hey, what the name of ground beef is going on? Mr. Bailey, try this. Dexter, I don't know. This is marvelous. What is it?
A French fry?
I know that, Ed. I'm talking about the sauce. What's in the sauce?
Ed's ingredients. He made it himself.
Plankton trying to get this sauce right here, you feel me? But there you have it though, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do this a taste test though, man. I'm gonna give you guys a taste test. Alright, I'm gonna start with these fries with this sauce, man. Let's go ahead and just... Guys, I went to the doctor the other day, right?
They're like, Mr. Frye, you have some of the best taste buds that we ever seen. I've been testing taste buds for 20 years. You just got the best taste buds.
Listen, man, go try this. Go to the store. This is my mom right here. Look. Give me a bite of this, man. Yo. Go to the store, man. Listen. Sunshine Burgers. Southwest. Black bean burger, man. Where the fries at, man? Alexia fries, waffle fries, Dave's Killer Bread, sauces of your choice, spinach, avocado, tomatoes, onion. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all next video. What are you talking about? Boy, rolling, trying it out. How was it, man?
It was good, man.
It was good? Mm-hmm. You like Krabby Patties, don't you, Squidward?